For the eye swap, you'll need gloves, a toothpick, a wooden spoon or spatula, new eyes, a bowl, and a towel to keep the head in. First, get some boiling water and put it inside the head. Cover it with the towel to keep it warm and set the timer for 5 minutes. Then dump the water out and use the end of the wooden spoon to push the eye out. And it does take a lot of practice. It took about 4 or 5 times for me to get it out, and I felt like I was going to break the eye socket because I was pushing so hard, but apparently I wasn't pushing hard enough. You have to pretty much use all your strength to push it out. And the hotter that you have the head, the easier it is to come out. Looking it over, I see that I have not damaged it. To put the eyes in, you reheat the head for 5 minutes with boiling water. Place the eye with the eyelashes facing down towards the chin, and then push straight down. Again, the hotter you have the head, the easier it is. In fact, it was easier for me to put the eyes in than it was to get them out. And I think it's because I had the head hotter than it was when I was taking them out. And a lot of people say it's harder to put them in than take them out. And I am using the towel to protect my hands from getting burned instead of using the gloves. So you can do either way. Then use the toothpick to carefully move the eyes in the right position, being careful to only touch the metal part. These are turquoise eyes from Doll of a Kind.